Once your print is complete, you will need to post-process your part to fully achieve the specified mechanical properties. In today's episode of Learn with Loctite, we will share our cleaning and post-processing tricks to make sure you're getting the most from your resin. Before getting started, make sure you're wearing proper PPE, including gloves, safety glasses, and long sleeves. Once printing is complete, allow the excess resin to drip off. Carefully remove the build head from the printer and place it on a clean, flat surface. Use lab wipes to protect the surface from any residual, uncured resin. Use one hand to stabilize the build plate on the flat surface. With your other hand, use a putty knife to gently scrape the parts from the plate. Continue to scrape until all parts have been removed. With your parts removed from the build head, you can begin post-processing. This entails washing the parts with an appropriate cleaner and using agitation to remove any residual resin. If necessary, remove any supports that were used during the printing process. Use your hands to remove the largest supports. If needed, use side cutters to remove smaller or more fragile supports. Once all supports are removed, you can use a metal hand file or high-grit sandpaper to remove any sharp edges left from support removal. Once the part has been cleaned and freed of any supports, dry the parts with compressed air at the recommended PSI according to your specific workflow. With your part free from any supports and completely clean, the final step is to post-cure according to your workflow guidance. Although you may be eager to finalize your part, it is critical that you wait the specified amount of time before post-curing. This allows for any residual cleaning agents to dissipate prior to curing. Once you have waited the proper amount of time, you can post-cure following the specific process outlined on your validated workflow. Now you are ready to print with Loctite. Find your specific workflow guidance or detailed technical data by visiting LoctiteAM.com.